Welcome children. Today we are going to learn about Introduction to Algebra. Introduction to Algebra, first we learn about pattern. In this chapter we are going to look at patterns that deals with numbers. For example, let us list the numbers we know in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. We observe that 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 4 is even, etc. These odd numbers and even numbers alternate with each other. If I tell you that I have a sequence 12, 8, 4, dot dot dot. Can you find next number? Easy. Each number is obtained by subtracting 4 from the previous number. So the fourth number is 4 minus 4. What will come? 0. The branch of mathematics that deals with such patterns is called algebra. This is only algebra. Today, algebra is used widely in many fields that including banking, insurance, accounting, statistics, science, engineering, manufacturing and so on. Now we'll see the example. Observe the following patterns and complete them. What is the patterns is given? 1, 5, 8, 11, 14. What you can observe? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So every number adding 3. Okay. 14 plus 3, what will come? 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. That's all. This is a pattern. See the example 2. 1 into 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Then 1, 2. That means 12 or 1, 2 into 9 plus 3 is equal to 1, 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3 into 9 plus 4 is equal to 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 9 plus 5, 5, 1 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 9 plus 6 is equal to 6, 1 is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 9 plus 7, how many ones will come? 7 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 9 plus 8. How many ones are coming? 8 ones are coming. So now the same patterns have to follow. Next number will come. So what previous number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. What's the next number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 9 plus 9 is equal to how many ones are will come? 9 ones are. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 9 ones coming. Understood children? Okay. Now see the example 2. What is given the pattern? First see, shade the shape to finish the pattern. First given yellow square. Next given red triangle. So yellow square, red triangle. Yellow square, red triangle. Yellow square, red triangle. Yellow square, what next will come? Red triangle. Second example, see. Star and circle. Blue star, then yellow circle. Blue star, yellow circle. Blue star, yellow circle. Blue star. What next will come? Yellow circle. Okay. Now see the example 3. Draw the fourth pattern. This is the pattern given circle. First pattern, one circle is given. Second pattern, 1, 2, 3 circle is given. Third pattern, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, then 1. So how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles are there. Like this, have to draw fourth circle, fourth pattern. Okay, in down. How many circles will come? Third 3 circle means fourth 4 circles. So down 4 circles, up 3 circles, then 2 circle, so finally 1 circle. So this is the fourth pattern. Okay children. Now understanding operation on variables. In algebra is a very important variables. What is variables? Situation 1. Rajesh is 4 years elder than his sister Radha. If you know Radha's age, can you find Rajesh's age? If Radha's age is n, you can see that Rajesh is always n plus 4. This is the advantage of using of variables. We do not need different situations for different values of age. Okay children? Now, as we give different values for n plus 4, this is clear from the following table. First Radha's age, the second one Rajesh's age n plus 4. If Radha's age n is equal to 4, what's the Rajesh's age? 4 plus 4, because n is equal to 4. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. If n is equal to 8, so what's the Rajesh's age? 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. If n is equal to 12, what's Rajesh's age? 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. See the situation 2. Patterns using ice candy sticks. You know what is ice candy sticks? See the picture. Ravi and Monica made some patterns with ice candy sticks to make one tea. How many ice candy sticks are used by them? 2 sticks. To make 2 teas, how many ice candy sticks are used by them? 1 tea means 2 sticks. 2 tea means 2 plus 2, 4 sticks. Continuing this, they prepare the following table to find the number of ice candy sticks used by them. Now, see the table. Number of teas formed. Second one, number of ice candy sticks required. Suppose you want to make 1 tea. How many number of ice candy sticks required? 2 into 1. You want to make 2 teas. How many ice candy sticks you need? 2 into 2. You want to make 3 teas. How many ice candy sticks you need? 2 into 3. So you want to make 4 teas. How many ice candy sticks need? 2 into 4. And so on. Suppose you want to make k. K means any number. So 2 into k. Okay. From the table above, it is clear that if the number of teas required by them is k, then the number of ice candy sticks required by them will be 2 into k is equal to 2k, where k is a variable. Understood, children? Okay. Now see the example 1. Find the rule which gives the number of sticks in the following pattern E. So, for 1E, number of matchsticks is equal to 5. For 2E, number of matchsticks is equal to 10. For 3E, number of matchsticks is equal to 15. So, we write number of matchsticks is equal to 5 into n, 5n, where n is equal to number of E. Find the value of x in the circle. The circle is given only unknown value x. So they are given 2, 4, 7, 11, 16. So what is x? This is one type of pattern. How you can find the answer? First you will take 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Then again 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. Therefore, x is equal to 22. Understood, children? That's all for today's class, children. I have sent a supplementary video. Please do watch it. Thank you, children.